Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of dealing with a mess of cables on your desk? What if I told you there's a solution that can change your workflow forever? Introducing the HP USB-C Dock G5, this top-rated docking station is a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their productivity. With its compact design, weighing only 1.49 pounds and measuring 4.8 by 4.8 by 1.77 inches, it's the perfect accessory for your Chromebook Enterprise X360, Elite Dragonfly, or ProBook. Thousands of customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its performance and versatility. One of the key benefits is its compatibility with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows 7, Windows 10, Chrome OS, Mac OS, and Ubuntu Linux, giving you the freedom to work seamlessly across different platforms. You'll love the feel of having all your devices connected with just one cable, the sound of your laptop humming along as you work, and the result of having a clutter-free desk. This dock is also incredibly easy to set up, just plug it in and you're good to go, with a simple and intuitive design that makes it easy to use. Whether you're working from home, in the office, or on the go, the HP USB-C Dock G5 is the perfect solution for anyone looking to streamline their workflow, and with its rugged texture and reliable performance, you can trust it to keep up with your demanding work schedule. So why settle for a messy and cumbersome workspace when you can have a clean and organized one? Upgrade to the HP USB-C Dock G5 today and experience the difference for yourself. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.